The reason your practice videos look unprofessional has nothing to do with your camera. I see this all the time. A dental practice, med spa, doctor's office, somebody grabs their phone, films something, posts it, and it just looks off. And the first thing everyone thinks is, I need a better camera, but that's almost never the case. There are a few things, 4 things in particular, that make practice videos look amateur. And once you know what they are, you can't unsee them. Number 1, it's the lighting. This is the biggest one. Most medical and dental offices have overhead lighting, fluorescent lighting, and the lighting is designed for visibility, not for video. It's flat, it's harsh, it casts shadows under the eyes, it makes everyone look exhausted. All you need is a simple key light, something that lights your face from the front and slightly to the side at an angle, changes everything. It doesn't have to be expensive, but without it, no camera in the world is going to save you from that. Number 2, it's the audio. And honestly, bad audio will kill a video faster than bad picture quality. If someone is watching your video and it sounds like you're in the hallway, or there's an HVAC system running in the background, or your voice sounds hollow and distant, they're gone. People will watch slightly blurry video. They will not sit through bad audio. So, a basic lav mic, the kind you clip on your shirt, fixes most of this. You can get a solid one for around $50, or you can go spend on something like a DJI for $160. That's the highest return on investment a practice can make for video. Number 3 is your background. What's behind your camera is part of a brand. A cluttered desk, random door, blank beige wall. None of that communicates anything good about your practice. And you don't need a fancy studio, you just need something that's intentional. A clean operatory, a well-lit reception area, even a simple branded backdrop, anything that says this place is put together. And number 4 is framing. This sounds basic, but it's everywhere. Most people either film too far away, or they're looking down at the camera, or there's so much empty space above their head that it looks like they are sitting in a hole. You want eye level, slight headroom, close enough so that you can actually see the person's face. That's it. That's the whole thing. So before you spend thousands of dollars on a new camera, fix the lighting first. Get a lav mic, clean up what's behind you, and adjust your framing. Do those 4 things and your iPhone footage will look better than most of what practices are putting out there right now. The camera is almost always the last thing. Anyways, start with lighting. That's your biggest win. Everything else builds from there.